What defines the future-proof manufacturing? So these are like manufacturing systems built with the future are fully digitally connected, and also they are intrinsically designed for circularity, and also they are completely transparent and traceable throughout the supply chain, and they are highly resilient to both market fluctuations and as well as for environmental crisis. So the real question is not why the smart and sustainable manufacturing is necessary, but it is how rapidly and how holistically we can achieve this transition.
I think the three most important actionable items that companies need to take are: first one is modular by design, and the second one is hybridized adoption, and the third one is integrating core technologies and processes. Modular by design, as we've covered throughout this section, modularity is one of the most important aspects that manufacturers need to look into, because as we all know, recycling used to be something like didn't have a good name maybe for 10 to 15 years back. But right now, recycling is being increasingly put into manufacturing, and remanufacturing or recycling is again being highlighted in every aspect due to growing resource constraints.
Technologies actually play a pivotal role in accelerating the shift towards the smart and sustainable manufacturing. And here we will be discussing about 6 major technologies which are working as growth catalysts for sustainable manufacturing processes. So first one which we will touch is Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT. So IIoT technology is helping the manufacturing sector by connecting machines, devices, sensors, and systems through the internet to collect and exchange the data. This integration actually enhances the operational efficiency and improves the decision making and drives the sustainable practices. It enables real-time data monitoring, predictive maintenance, process optimization, and energy management. Manufacturers that actually integrate IIoT in their manufacturing processes, manufacturing value chain, they can achieve higher productivity, reduce the wastage, optimize energy consumption, and create eco-friendly products. Ultimately, they can align their operations with global sustainability goals. So, for example, we have example of Siemens. Siemens has a platform called MindSphere. MindSphere platform actually connects companies' industrial assets to the cloud, and it enables manufacturers to analyze their performance data. Meanwhile, it identifies the inefficiencies in the manufacturing processes and optimizes the production processes also, and resulting in reduced downtime, lowers the cost, and it drives sustainable growth.